Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about new lesson light unit 6. Okay, ma'am. So now you see light means that it's a source of energy. Light is a form of energy which travel as the electromagnetic waves, right? So the reflection of the light falling on the any polished surface such as mirror, okay, it's reflected. These reflected of light on polished surface for a certain law, and you have studied about them in your lower classes also. Okay, now you see the law of reflection. Okay, now you see we are considered to the one plane mirror. That name we have to mention M. This side is a M dash, right? Now you see one incident ray fall on the at point O. The incident ray. This is the incident ray. This incident ray fall on at O in plane mirror. Okay, at O. Okay, so this incident ray fall on at O. The fall on, after that it's a reflector, this rays, after this reflected that this rays, okay, this rays, so this ray is name is reflection ray. This name is a reflection rays. Okay, now this is the parallel. The parallel perpendicular, you have to draw that line. That line we are denote the name M to M dash. Okay, so now this line we have to call it to normal lines. This line we have to call it to normal lines. Now you see the perpendicular angle of the line, it's a splitting to the two angle. Okay, now you see N O A. N O A, it is creating to the one angle. So another one angle N O B. Okay, this angle, one angle. Okay, now that angle, you see this side you are taking means is creating the one theta. So here creating that angle theta. So first AON, it's creating the angle, we denoted that I. We put the name as I. So next this angle, we are this angle creating the this triangle creating to the angle. So we are put the name as R. Why is put the name is a reflector rays, we are taking to the R. This ray is a incident ray, we are taking to the I. Okay. So the both angle is equivalent. The both angle is equivalent. So this is a 60 degree means this also a 60 degree. Okay. So the angle is equivalent. So this is the law of reflection. Okay. Now you see. Next one. The three rays is here lie on the plane mirror. Okay. So the incident ray, normal ray and reflection ray also fall in that plane mirror only. Okay. Now you see the laws. The two state of the laws. One is the incident rays, the reflector rays and the normal at the point of the incidence all lie in the same plane. You see that incident rays, reflection rays, normal rays all lie on the point O. Okay, the same plane and point O, right? So that is the first law. So that is second point. The angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Already I told the angle of incident, angle of reflection also equivalent. So this side and this side say equivalent. Okay, this is a law of reflection. So law of reflection 2 point. One is a incident rays and the reflection rays and the normal rays at the point of the incident all lie in the plane mirror. Second one, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Right. So next you see lateral inversion. So it is nothing but you see the mirror. Okay. you are in front of the one mirror, you are keep it and you see what happen. Your eye, your head, your hand, your leg, your body also it's a same like only. It is not a inverted. The mirror not show to that inverted. It is a whatever it is. Yeah, your body is up. The same like only reflected. Right side, left side, left side. But we can see that right is a left, left is a right. Otherwise, it show to that same like only in the mirror. That is a lateral inverted. Okay, va? So lateral it's a Latin language. Latin, which language? Latin word. Latus, which means side. The lateral inversion means sidewise inversion. It is a apparent inversion of left and right that occur in the plane mirror. Okay, the mirror do not accurately reverse left and right, and they do not reverse up and down also. Left to right to left, it's not a change and showing. It's a whatever it is, left side only showing, right side only showing. So the opposite direction we stand and saying means we see that it's a alternate only. Okay, we can see. Okay, so next you see that which indicate that light ray from the object falling on the mirror. The arrow from the object head is directed towards the top of the mirror and the arrow from the feet direct towards the bottom. The arrow from the left and goes to the left side of the mirror, and the arrow from the right side goes to the right side of the mirror. Okay, now you see this mirror. The head is a up only. The feet is a down only. The left side legs, left side only. Right side hand, right side only. Right. Now you see. So are you understood? I think you are understood, right? Next one, real and inverted image. Real means the reflected rays is a real image showing. Sometimes that image is a invertedly showing. Okay, that reflected, some image reflected in the real image. Some other image is reflected in the inverted image only. It's a depend on the mirror only. Okay, the reflection face only, surface only. You see that if the light rays coming from an object actually meet after the reflection, the image formed will be a real image. And I told you, no, the light rays coming from on the object, it's a meet after the reflection, that image is formed will be a real image, and it always the inverted. A real image can be produced on screen. Real image always produced in the screen only. When the light rays coming from an object do not actually meet but appear to meet when produced the backwards, that image will be virtual image. Backwards the image one form of that image we have to telling virtual image. Okay, the virtual image is always erect and cannot be catch on the screen. It is a virtual image always in the erect, but it is not catch on the screen also. Now you see that I am taking to the one plane mirror. The incident rays fall on the plane mirror. After that reflected, it's join the one point, right? So another one reflected incident rays fall on that plane mirror, that also reflected. So again this side coming to one incident ray fall on the plane mirror, it's a reflected. So another one. So we are taking the four rays, it's a refracted in one point. That point, that is a screen. You are imagining that is a screen. That screen is show to that real image. Okay, Now it's the plane mirror backward sides that image. This incident rays is a the incident rays is going that along, that means the after backside moving means here. So this incident rays it's வந்து reflected ஆகாம, it is not reflected, the incident is going to through inside means the backside all the four incidents point O, that area it is creating to that virtual image. It is we cannot capture to the screen. Okay, this is a real and virtual image. Next, curved mirror. We study about the law of reflection. Now we are studying that law of reflection. These laws are applicable to all type of the reflection surfaces, including curved surface. In your early classes, you have studied that there are many types of curved mirror, such as spherical mirror and parabolic mirror. The most commonly used type of the curved mirror is spherical mirror only. Okay, the spherical mirror we have to use and reflect the curvature. Okay, so that you see that in curved mirror the reflection surface can be considered on the form of a part of the surface of a sphere. Such mirror whose reflecting surface or the spherical are called the spherical mirror. In some of the spherical mirror, the reflection surface is curved inwards, that is, it faces towards the center of the sphere. They are called the concave mirror. In some other mirrors, the reflection surface is curved outward. They are called the convex mirror. Okay, thank you children. Be prepared to the second midterm exam. Okay, thank you children.